Tasty, Paul. Alright guys, welcome to Catapult Carnage. I'm Chris.
And I'm Paul.
We missed our breakfast this morning, so we decided to come down to the forest and see can we hunt some breakfast for ourselves. Right, before we go any further, I'm just going to have a few warm-up shots. The new snipersling latex, this is 0.6. 24 to 12, I've cut them. I like extreme tapers, they're very fast. One more, I'm feeling pretty confident that's all I need to dial in. That's it. Typically I won't shoot at anything further away than what I've warmed up at, practiced at, and that gives me a better chance to take the animal because it's easier to close the distance, try and close the distance, as opposed to continuously take long shots. And if you're taking shots at a certain distance, that's the distance the animal will try and keep away from you, squirrels in particular. You'll just keep bumping them on. It's better to try and close that distance, corner them in a tree. It's definitely beneficial to hunt in pairs, the way me and Paul is doing. But yeah, this sniper sling is shooting fantastic. You see there, now that I'm on my classic, lovely little pocket frame, I'm shooting with a longer draw, and I've got this extreme taper, very cold here at the minute, and these here are shooting phenomenal. Like these 8mm steel are going like laser beams. They're nearly out of sight until they're starting to drop. My bands are quite close to maxed, but not just there. Yeah, very impressed so far.
Straight in there. There's a squirrel running by. Do you want to cover me?
I have them. Right guys, we're going to get this little fellow here cleaned, skinned and cleaned. Not going to show you it because YouTube really doesn't like it, and I've been penalised for blood and guts and gore before. But now we need to get our fire going and get this guy cooked before the flies get at him too much. You see how juicy this guy is? Beautiful. Oh, it's hot. Beautiful white meat. A lot of people say to me, oh yeah, squirrel, that's rotten. You don't know it till you try it.
Yeah, at least we know where our food comes from.
Very similar to chicken.
How much of your arse cheek have you got in that fucking thing?
Both 1.5 quarter.
Well, I'm on an 1/8.
But this is a good time of year as well for them because they're fattening up.
Yeah.
Like that's full of fat.
And we didn't overcook it.
No. Tasty, Paul. heard him.